Imagine this, a tiny, invisible instruction manual coiled up in every single cell of your body. It's about 3 billion characters long, and somehow it tells your body exactly what to do. But what if I told you none of this would happen without one crucial thing: the way your body reads this instruction manual? Welcome to the world of gene expression, where the body decides what to do with the code in your DNA. DNA is often described as the blueprint of life. It's the code that tells your body who you are, how you look, and everything that keeps you alive. But how does your body know how to use it? After all, DNA isn't a static, unchanging script. It's not sitting there waiting for orders. It's a living, breathing document that gets read in different ways, depending on what your body needs at any given moment. Every cell in your body has its own version of this instruction manual, but unlike a printed book, your body's instructions don't all get read at the same time. This is where the magic, or should I say the mystery, happens. Gene expression is the process through which your cells read parts of that instruction manual to perform tasks like growing, repairing tissue, or even fighting disease. Imagine a gigantic, ancient library. Inside, there are millions of books, your genes, but not all books are checked out at once. Different parts of the library get read at different times, depending on what's needed. Sometimes the body reads instructions for growth, other times for repair, and sometimes it's in full defense mode, activating the immune system to fight an infection. The process of gene expression is not just about reading the DNA code itself. It's about activating certain genes, switching them on or off to make proteins that do the actual work. For example, your body knows when to grow new skin cells after a cut, or how to fight off cancer cells before they spread. Your immune system does this by reading the right DNA at the right time. But what happens when it gets it wrong? That's when things get scary. Gene expression gone rogue can lead to serious problems like cancer. In cancer, your cells keep reading the wrong books over and over again, sending instructions to grow uncontrollably. The body loses its ability to shut off that overgrowth, and gene expression goes haywire. It's a perfect example of how something so powerful, your body's ability to read your DNA, can become a dangerous weapon when it goes unchecked. So could we change gene expression? Could we rewrite the instructions to fix things like cancer, aging, or genetic disorders? That's where gene therapy comes in. Gene therapy is like a technician coming in and flipping the switch. Scientists are learning how to rewrite or repair the faulty instructions in your DNA. Imagine being able to edit a gene to fix a disease before it even develops. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. One of the most exciting breakthroughs is CRISPR. CRISPR allows scientists to edit DNA with pinpoint precision. With CRISPR, we could potentially turn genes on or off, correcting errors that lead to diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. In some cases, this is already happening. But like any new frontier, the hype often gets ahead of the reality. Editing genes isn't just about fixing things, it's about managing risk. What happens if we make a mistake in the code, or if we trigger the wrong genes to activate? The more we learn about gene expression, the more we realize we're not just unlocking the code of life, we're unlocking Pandora's box. Editing genes comes with profound risks. Could we accidentally trigger harmful mutations? Could we create unintended consequences? And that's where the real tension lies. We're at a crossroads. The power to edit genes could solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, like aging and disease, but we're still figuring out what happens when we get it wrong. So here's the question. If gene expression controls everything from growth to disease, what happens when we start altering the code? Will we master our biology, or are we getting too close to playing God? As we move forward, gene therapy may offer hope for the future, but we're standing at the edge of a new era, one where our ability to change the course of life itself could come with unintended consequences. How does your body know what to do? It reads the most intricate instructions ever written. But in the end, the question might not be how it knows, it's what happens when we try to rewrite the code ourselves. The future of gene expression isn't just about what we can fix, it's about what we're willing to risk.
Like and subscribe for mind-blowing biofacts. Turn on bell. Thanks for watching.